Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing simple Procreate tips that can save your time. Let's get started. Tip number 1, full screen control. To customize gestures, go to Actions, Preference, Gesture Control, tap Full Screen. Enable 4-finger tap. Spend a few minutes to explore these settings. Tip number 2, reference images. Go to Actions, Canvas, Reference. You can import an image directly into Procreate and keep it visible while you draw. Whether you are drawing flowers, animals, portraits, references can help you learn faster and improve your skills. Remember, references are tools for learning and observations. Tip number 3, Clone Tool. This feature allows you to copy parts of your artwork quickly. You can use it for repeating patterns, fixing small areas, creating textures, saving time on detailed design. To find it, go to Adjustments and click on Clone. Make sure to move the cursor over the picture you want to clone. Tip number 4. Let's see Blur, Clipping Mask, and Alpha Lock. These three features are beginner game changers. Blur, the Gaussian blur tool helps soften edges and create smooth effects. It's great for background, shadows, glowing effects. And also for the clipping mask allows you to add colors, textures or shading without affecting the original shape. This keeps your artwork clean and organized. Alpha Lock lets you paint only on existing pixel. For example, if you already colored a circle, you can add highlights, shadow without painting outside the shape. These three tools can instantly make your artwork look more professional. If you want to know the difference between clipping mask and alpha lock, go to my channel, check out my videos. And also try to explore the adjustment tools. You will find more options. Most of the time I use alpha lock for the color change or some adjustment. Tip number 5, add shadows. Shadows can add depth and dimension to your artwork. Even simple illustration look better when you add a soft shadow. You can create a shadow by duplicating a layer, filling it with a darker color, applying Gaussian blur, moving it slightly behind the object. This simple technique makes artwork feel less flat and more realistic. Also try with selection tool to adjust the shape. Now you can see I'm trying with the alpha lock and I use alpha lock to change the darker color from the lighter color. So from black to I will fill it with a white color. See, the color got changed without affecting the original layer. Now let's move on to tip number 6. Export your artwork. Once your artwork is finished, it's time to export it. Go to Actions, click on Share. You will see a different file format such as PNG, JPG, PDF, etc. Choose the format based on where you are sharing your artwork. For social media, or always use PNG. Usually it works great. Always save a high quality copy of your artwork for future use. For Etsy also I use PNG format. Recently I have opened my Etsy shop. Before we finish, if you enjoyed the digital art, printable wall art and creative Procreate inspired designs, feel free to visit my Etsy shop. The shop link is available in the description below. Your supports help me create more tutorials and creative content. If you learned something new in this video, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Etsy shop. Thank you for watching.